What really matters for today with your friend Rodney Livingston? A few days ago I asked you about young men. Well, what about our young girls, teenage girls, young ladies trying to live godly lives in an ungodly world? The culture your daughter faces today is hostile toward God's values. But with your help, your daughter can counteract the culture and live the life that God wants for her. Prepare for the battle. Don't sit back and allow our young ladies to be indoctrinated into the culture's current popular thinking. Commit to investigating as much time and energy as it takes to train them to counteract the culture with God's timeless truths. Model a life of faith and action, and regularly discuss biblical principles with your daughters and these young ladies. Monitor outside influences. Know who their friends are and what values they embrace. Help them to eliminate negative influences and to build a peer group of strong, godly friends. The rod and reproof give wisdom, but a child left to themselves brings shame to their mother. Proverbs 29 and verse 15. Let's help our young ladies to be what God wants them to be. And that's what really matters for today in that minute from your friends at the Leoma Church of Christ.